Make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you guys have a Dodge Charger and you need to find the fuse for the passenger door control module, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located. It's super important because it controls everything in the passenger door, practically power locking. It controls actually the window, the mirror, everything guys. So if you have problems with the passenger door control module, always check that fuse. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make that can actually guys cost you thousands of dollars. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So what we have here specifically guys, that's a 3.6, but even if you have a V6, V8 engine, it will work as well. Most people will automatically come to like right here, so they will open the fuse box, but it's not there guys. Actually that fuse for the passenger door control module, it's at a hidden location. In some cases guys, if you replace the fuse, you still have problems with the passenger door control module or things not working, you may need to use a scanner to reset the body control module and reset other computers as well, clear messages. And the Maxicom is one of our favorite scanners guys. It's very affordable. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use guys, so check it out. Now let's go ahead and explain where that fuse is located. So when you open the trunk on your Dodge Charger, you're going to leave the cover here in the trunk to get to the spare tire and the car battery. Now it's recommended guys on many fuses and relays, not all, but many times it's recommended to disconnect the car battery so we can avoid damaging the electrical systems. And also on this new car seat, it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative, and which one you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to modules, computers, and you can guys burn them. How we know that? We actually burned the computer on a Mercedes that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll press here, open, and if you come right now, that's your fuse box for the body control module practically. Fuses, relays, you have different kinds of fuses, you can see multiple fuses. Very important to always test fuses. Some people will just look at them and think, okay, this is a good or this is a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that a fuse is burned. I'll recommend to always test them. Otherwise, if you put a bad fuse back in, you just spend money and time on a problem that doesn't exist. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. And if you come right here guys, in that row, check this row, the very last fuse on the right side, that big fuse right here, that's for the passenger door control module. This is for the driver door, this is for the passenger. So when you are ready, you're going to go ahead, grab it and pull it out. Now if you guys need to buy replacement fuses, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them for a good price and quick shipping. But this is the fuse if you need help with that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.